Hey everybody, Andy.Fedo here at Camping World in Vacaville, and I know I say this all the time, but I think this is my favorite floor plan. This is a 2021 Forest River Sandpiper 38 FK OK, which stands for front kitchen, outside kitchen, automatic level and jacks, all your power hookups on the side, huge under storage carriage and pass through. Outside speakers, awning, goes all the way through. And look at this outside kitchen. Microwave, sink, big refrigerator, your grill swivels around the side, all wired up for solar and rear view camera. Moving to the inside, one of the most unique, beautiful floor plans I've ever seen. Look at this kitchen. So you got a nice little breakfast bar over here. There's your kitchen. Huge amount of space, island, big refrigerator, nice big microwave, and look at this oversized coffee nook. You can fit all your air fryers there. Look at this TV, living room setup, right down the steps. Plenty of storage, overhead storage on both sides. Here's your bathroom there, big medicine cabinet. Big amount of storage space in there. And look at the size of this bed. Full king size bed, overhead storage, and big cabinetry. Got a lot of space, big window in the back of the trailer. And a nice TV. Got room for a bigger TV there if you want to mount a bigger one. And of course, a second air conditioner in the back. Pretty tough to beat.